Honorable
And
Millie,
especially now when members are actually campaigning and you can...
Honorable Millie, as you continue, it is for us to be guided. Now that the systems are working, it is true that Honorable Millie Odhiambo is on a point of order because my system is working. It is important and there was no intervention. And now, in point of order, can you put your point of order? Now the systems are working. Can you give Honorable Millie the mic?
She has no point of order, Madam.
No, she could be having a point, but let me get it from her.
She is just admiring me.
In fact, she's nearer to the sergeant at arms. And the sergeant at arms really helped her.
The honorable member is just
Honorable Millie, use the next chip so that at least you can... Yes, the chip behind you.
I want to tell her I'm not available.
The chip behind you? Very well, very well.
Madam Speaker, first of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity. But now the honorable member on the floor for honorable member for Kamket has even raised a further point of order by implying that I'm admiring him. Madam Speaker, I don't think he's taking after Honorable Duale in the list of the members who want to claim that I'm admiring them. Madam Speaker, I don't think this guy understands that I went from Kenya to all the way to the south. I have an import. So how can I be admiring him when I have an import? But having said that, Madam Speaker, my original point of order was actually to this leader of majority. At this moment, learn to balance and know who foot soldiers in this house are, so that you don't discourage members. Otherwise, he'll be finding himself moving bills alone and seconding. Thank you.
Point taken. Point taken. However, it does not need to take you so long, Honorable Millie Odhiambo. It is important for the House to be a bit, yes, in order. The Honorable Member, Honorable Kamket, please carry on with the debate.
Thank you. So, Madam Speaker, in short, Madam Speaker, can you protect me from the lady, the Honorable...
no, you are protected. We don't want another one saying you're admiring her. Or she's admiring you. You are protected.
Please.
Yes, carry on. Just carry on. You are protected, Honorable.
Thank you. Thank you. I do not know what's up with the ladies. The ladies are all over me today. I do not know why.
She's consulting in a low tone. I confirm that.
Yeah.
Very well. Very well. I know it's a very critical time. Just carry on with your debate.